This is the Sennheiser RS 170 wireless headphone system. The system includes a pair of RS 170 circumaural digital wireless headphones and a TX 170 transmitter that also functions as a charging dock. Inside the box, you'll find user documentation, multi-country AC wall adapter, 1/8 inch to 1/8 inch audio cable, 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch adapter, 1/8 inch to RCA adapter, cable management sleeve, 2 rechargeable AAA batteries, and of course, the RS 170 wireless headphones and transmitter. The system utilizes Clear's uncompressed digital wireless audio transmission to offer crystal clear audio with a range of up to 260 feet. The TX 170 transmitter can broadcast to up to 4 pairs of headphones simultaneously, and features an 1/8 inch stereo jack to connect to any audio source with supplied cables. On the front of the unit are 3 backlit buttons to power and connect a pair of headphones and enable surround sound and dynamic bass listening modes. A 4th LED indicates battery charging state when headphones are docked on the top of the unit. The headphones feature leatherette earpad and adjustable headband cushions for a secure and comfortable fit, while the closed circumaural design prevents sound leakage. Located on the right headphone are buttons to control the volume, wireless connection and power, as well as enable the surround sound and dynamic bass listening modes. The earpads can be removed to install and replace the 2 included AAA batteries, which can power the headphones for approximately 24 hours on a single charge. This has been an unboxing of the Sennheiser RS 170s. That wasn't so hard now, was it?